Hello everyone, Demi-glace explained in 2 minutes, more or less, plus some tricks and tips in the end of this video. Please subscribe and click like if you do, or if you don't, click like anyway. Place in a tray onions, carrots and celery all with the skin on. Add beef and chicken bones and roast them at 230 degrees until brown. Move all content into a large pot. Deglaze the tray with red wine. Basically scrub the tray while it's cooking on the stove, removing all bits attached to the bottom. Then pour this into the pot. Add meat stock or water. If you want to learn how to do an amazing stock, watch this video in the right up corner. Add peeled vegetables, carrots, onion, celery and celeriac will do. Add dried mushrooms and sun-dried tomatoes. Season with bay leaves, nutmeg, mixed pepper, cloves and juniper. Bring it to the boil, then let it simmer until it reduces by half. Filter through a colander, squeezing all liquid out. Then throw a fine sieve. Unfortunately, I lent the bigger size to a friend. It took a while, but finally I end up with this residue that must be thrown away. Let the liquid reduce and thicken like a glaze. Place a drop on a plate to see the thickness. Place the demi-glace in a container and you are done. Time for tips and tricks. You can freeze your demi-glace in silicone molds and place in a Ziploc bag to be ready to use for your sauces or directly in your preparations. Thanks for watching. Ciao!